Yeah, it's fun with Scratch, week 3 and week 4, animating multiple sprites. Let's design a game in which a fish eats a crab. In this game, we have to move the fish. For moving the fish, we must know the position where we are going to shift it on the stage. In order to find the position of a sprite on the stage is divided into 4 parts by a horizontal line x-axis and a vertical line y-axis. Check image below for an example. The point at which the x-axis and y-axis meet is called the origin. At origin, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. The cat sprite is at position x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. As we move upwards, the right on the x-axis, the value of x increases from 0 to 240, and if the sprite moves towards the left on the x-axis, the value of x changes from 0 to minus 240. Similarly, as we move up on the y-axis, the value of y changes from 0 to 180, and if the sprite moves down on the y-axis, the value of y changes from 0 to minus 180. The top right corner of the scratch window has x is equal to 240 and y is equal to 180, and the top left corner of x is equal has x is equal to minus 240 and y is equal to 180. The stage is divided into 4 by a horizontal line and vertical line. The 4 squares are called 4 quadrants. The horizontal line is labeled x-axis and the vertical line is labeled y-axis. The two axes divide the stage into 4 quadrants. The point at which the two axes meet is the center of the stage and is called the origin. The origin has x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Top right corner has x is equal to 240 and y is equal to 180. The top left corner has x is equal to minus 240 and y is equal to minus 180. As we move to right from the origin, the value of x increases from 0 to 240. As we move left from the origin, the value of x changes from 0 to minus 240. Similarly, as we move up from the origin, the value of y increases from 0 to 180. As we move down from the origin, the value of y changes from 0 to minus 180. So this proves that each point at stage is represented by two numbers, that is value of x and value of y. Requirement: a background, two sprites, fish and crab. Adding background: step 1, double click on the stage icon. Step 2, click on the backdrops tab. Click on the choose any backdrop from the library. Step 4, select the background of your choice. Adding sprite 1, fish. Add the sprite fish on the stage. Place the sprite fish at the appropriate position and identify the x and y positions. Adding sprite 2, crab. Add the sprite crab on the stage. Place the sprite crab at the appropriate position and identify the x and y positions, making the sprite fish move. Click on the sprite fish. Click on the motion block and drag the glide 1 seconds to x is equal to y is equal to blocks. Change the value of x to 143 and y to minus 72. Attach the when clicked block from events block, making the sprite crab react. Click on the sprite crab, click on the looks block and drag the say block, change the text inside it to help me. Attach the when clicked block from events block. Play, switch to the presentation mode and play the script. So this is about, till now you had, you have seen the animations only with the one adding one sprites. Now it is adding multiple sprites, not only one. I told you you can add n number of sprites and you can create the animation. Now here is about an animation, how a fish eating a crab. Before going to this, before going to this, you need to know about the x and y, as it has been discussed in this. I'll show you what is that, the positions. Yeah, this is the scratch window. Now you all know that this is the sprite, right? So first of all, see here, down Nana, you can see everyone. As I am moving the cursor, right, you can see the down x and y values are changing according to the cursor. Now I will move this. See here, now the sprite. is at x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 11. Suppose I make it to move here. 192, x is 192 and y is minus 82. So this is the last position, 240, and this is a top, it's minus 240, right? So like this, the complete stage is divided into 4 quadrants. Like, see the figure. First of all, the stage is divided into 4 quadrants with the help of a horizontal line called x-axis and a vertical called y-axis, right? From left to right, that is x-axis, top to bottom or up down, that is called y-axis. And at the middle portion where the two lines are meeting, horizontal and vertical lines are meeting, that point is called as origin or center. At that In that case, the value of x is equal to 0 and y also 0, right? As we move from the center to the left, x is 240, and from 0 to right, x is minus 240. Similarly, when we move from the center to the up, the y value is 180, and from the origin to the downwards, that is the value of y is minus 180, right? Now, if y is 180, what is x? X is equal to 0. Y is minus 180, x is equal to 0. And here, if x is equal to 240, y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 240, y is equal to 0. So, what are the quadrants? One is 240, y is equal to 0, that is 1. The next is x is minus 240, y is equal to 0, that is 1. And y is equal to 180, sorry, yeah, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 180, x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 180. These four are the 4 quadrants which is divided by the x-axis and y-axis. So depending on these values, we can change the sprite movements, right? From up to down or left to right, whatever it is, you can change it, or simply by dragging also we can change it, no problem. But in order to, whenever we create an animation, you have to specify the values of x. Okay, that is about. Now we will do this practically. First of all, we need a background, right? I'll delete this sprite. We'll go for background, new background. Whatever is there in the textbook, that only we'll take. Underwater it is. Yeah, this one, underwater 3. Right? Yeah. Now we have to go for the sprites. Fish, right? Fish will be in the alphabet F. Yep, yes. This one only, right? Okay. Fish is added. The one more we need, crab. ABC. Okay, crab, yeah. Right? So this is here. This is here. Right? Now we have to make it move. This is just we have added. Now coming to the animation, what they gave everything after adding. First, glide 1 second. This should be added. Okay, and here we have to mention the values of x and y. This is 143 and y is minus 72. Okay, now we can write events, go to events when green flag is clicked. Okay, now coming to the crab also we need to add scripts. So when flag is clicked, and sound, right? So no, say help me. We have to change this hello to help me. We can change the text also inside help me. Okay, now what we have to do? Yeah. Present. What is that? Attach the from events block. Switch to the presentation mode and play the script. So I'll make it bigger. Now you can see, right? See again, right? So this is what. So if I change, I'll try to change it. I'll make it the value 133 and this one minus. We'll see what happens. Yes.